letter do you have? F for? Go. Stand on the F. Which letter do you have? Q. Q for quiet. Quiet. Stand on the Q. Q box. Where is Q? Q. Q. Go there. Yes. Q. 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 Arif, which letter do you have? S for sunflower. S for?
S for sunflower.
Okay. Stand on the S. Yes. Very good. Now, which letter do you have? T for train. Come stand on the T. Yes. Look in front. One. Which letter do you have? L for line. Stand on the L box. Very good. Look in front. Which letter do you have? I for igloo. Go stand on the I. Where is I box? I. Yes. Very good. Which letter do you have? G for grapes. Stand on the G. Yes. Which letter do you have? D for? Go. Very good. Which letter do you have? Very good. Go stand on the B box. B. Where is B? Yes. Very good. Which letter do you have? Go stand. Which letter do you have? F for flower. Go. Asna, which letter? Go. Yushra, which letter do you have? Show me first. Which letter do you have? Yushra, which letter do you have? U for?
Umbrella.
Very good. Go stand on the U. Where is U? Which letter do you have? C. Go stand on the C. Which letter do you have, Abdul Rahman? J for joker. Go stand on the J. Arisha, which letter do you have? E for? Do you have? Very good. Come. Which letter do you have? Come. Which letter do you have? Khadija. Come. Which letter do you have? D. Duck. Very good. Go stand on the D box. Go. जाइए कहाँ पे D है? Go stand on the D. Yes. Very good. Yes. Clap for Zadan, everyone. Do you have A? A for aeroplane. Stand on the A box. Where is the A? Go. Stand. Yes. Anas, which letter do you have? V. V for violin. Come stand on the V. Yes, V. Yes. Come. Yes, come. Stand on the V. Anas, where is V? Yes, stand. And which letter do you have? N. N for nest. Very good. Stand on the N. Yes, very good. Sir, which letter do you have? H for? Loudly say H for house. H for house. Come stand on the H. Where is H? Come. Yes. Come. Yes. Come. Yes, very good. Clap for Abu sir. Iba, which letter do you have? Come, stand on the I. Come. Very good. Come. Very good. Clap for Ariba. Alina, which letter do you have? T. T for train. Come, stand on the T. Where is the T? Come. Come first. Go stand on the T. Where is the T? T. Beta T. Stand on the T. Alina, where is the T? Come stand on the T. Yeah, show me. Very good. good. Clap for Alina. Now, which letter do you have?
T for ten.
Very good. Asna, which letter do you have?
D for ten.
Very good. Arisha, which letter do you have? Very good. Cherish, which letter do you have?
K for kite.
Very good.